Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we explore the latest breakthroughs and discoveries in space. In today's video, we're diving into something truly extraordinary. The James Webb Space Telescope has just detected a sudden 1000% increase in the brightness of Betelgeuse, the red supergiant star. This unexpected event has astronomers all over the world buzzing. What does it mean? Could Betelgeuse be gearing up for a supernova? Let's get into the details and break it all down. Remember that incredible golden telescope we humans built? Yeah, the James Webb Space Telescope. Well, it's out there right now capturing some mind-blowing images of the universe, and it might just flip our understanding of space upside down. Let's talk about Betelgeuse, the massive red supergiant in the Orion constellation that's been fascinating astronomers for ages. You probably heard how it made headlines a few years ago when it mysteriously dimmed in late 2019 and early 2020. Well, buckle up because things just got even crazier. Recently, the James Webb Space Telescope picked up a jaw, dropping 1000% increase in Betelgeuse's brightness. Yep, you heard that right, 1000%. This news is sending shockwaves through the scientific community, and astronomers are buzzing with excitement, trying to figure out what's really going on. Oh, and before we dive deeper, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates. So, what's happening with Betelgeuse? Well, this star is no ordinary one. It's one of the largest stars visible to the naked eye, and it's nearing the end of its life cycle. That means it's prone to dramatic shifts in brightness and behavior, but this recent spike is something totally unexpected. Betelgeuse has always been one of the most studied stars because of its sheer size and closeness to Earth. It's a red supergiant, much bigger and older than our Sun. Scientists know that one day, Betelgeuse will run out of fuel and explode in a supernova, but the exact when is still a mystery. And this sudden increase in brightness, it's only adding fuel to the speculation about what could be brewing inside this cosmic giant. What's going on with Betelgeuse? Could we be witnessing the early signs of its explosive finale? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, the universe never fails to keep us on our toes. The sudden brightening detected by the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has astronomers on edge for a few big reasons. Sure, Betelgeuse has fluctuated in brightness before, but those changes were slow, gradual, and pretty much followed the usual patterns of a red supergiant star's pulsations. These stars go through cycles of expansion and contraction, which naturally cause their brightness to ebb and flow over time. But a 1000% increase in brightness? That's a whole different story. This kind of dramatic shift is far beyond the typical variations we'd expect from pulsations alone, and it's signaling that something much more intense is happening either in the core or outer layers of Betelgeuse. So what could be behind this cosmic light show? One possibility is that Betelgeuse is entering a more unstable phase of its life. As massive stars like this one age, their outer layers can become increasingly unpredictable, sometimes leading to huge energy outbursts. These are called shell ejections, when a star flings massive amounts of its outer material into space. If Betelgeuse just had a shell ejection of this magnitude, it could explain why its brightness has suddenly spiked so dramatically. Another potential cause might be changes deep within Betelgeuse's core. As red supergiants like Betelgeuse near the end of their life cycle, the fusion process at their core begins to shift. Right now, it's thought that Betelgeuse is fusing heavier elements like oxygen and silicon in preparation for its grand finale, a supernova. These shifts in fusion can cause violent, unpredictable behavior in the star's outer layers, and the recent brightening might be a sign that Betelgeuse is getting closer to the end of its life. Now, before we get too excited, this doesn't necessarily mean Betelgeuse is about to explode into a supernova tomorrow, but it does suggest some major changes are happening beneath the surface. Betelgeuse has always been a bit of an enigma, especially after its famous dimming event in 2019 that had everyone buzzing about the possibility of it going supernova. But as it turns out, that mysterious dimming wasn't a sign of an imminent explosion. It was caused by a massive cloud of dust the star had ejected, temporarily blocking its light from Earth. Now, with this recent dramatic brightening, could we be in for another dust-related illusion? Possibly. But the sheer magnitude of this brightness increase, detected by the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, hints that this could be something far more significant than just another passing event. If Betelgeuse is truly on the brink of a major transformation, it would give scientists a once-in-a-lifetime chance to witness a red supergiant in the throes of its final stages. While we've observed supernovas in distant galaxies, Betelgeuse is close enough that if it were to explode, we'd be able to watch the whole process unfold in incredible detail. That kind of data could revolutionize our understanding of how stars evolve and the mechanics of supernovas. And the impact of Betelgeuse's sudden brightening doesn't just stop with the star itself. If it were to go supernova, the explosion would have far-reaching effects on its surrounding region in space. Luckily, at about 640 light-years away from Earth, Betelgeuse is distant enough that even a supernova wouldn't pose any direct threat to our planet. But here's where it gets really exciting. If Betelgeuse does explode, we're talking about a celestial spectacle for the ages. For weeks, maybe even months, Betelgeuse could shine so brightly that we'd see it during the day, outshining the moon. Imagine that, a supernova lighting up the daytime sky. And for astronomers, it would be a goldmine of data, allowing us to study everything from the formation of neutron stars to the potential birth of a black hole in real time. It would be one of the most awe-inspiring and transformative events in modern astronomy. With this surge in brightness, astronomers are in a race against time to gather as much data as possible. Observatories worldwide, both ground-based and space-based, are zeroing in on Betelgeuse, eager to capture every nuance of this cosmic drama as it unfolds. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is at the forefront of this effort, thanks to its unparalleled ability to observe in infrared wavelengths. This makes it particularly well suited to study the outer layers of Betelgeuse and any material the star might be ejecting into space. Scientists are hoping to determine whether this sudden increase in brightness is the result of a significant structural change within the star itself, or if it's being influenced by external factors, like dust or gas clouds interacting with Betelgeuse's light. But it doesn't stop there. This sudden brightening has reignited interest in studying other red supergiants. While Betelgeuse is one of the closest and most well-known examples, there are plenty of other stars in our Milky Way that are in a similar stage of their life cycle. If Betelgeuse's behavior points to a previously unknown phase of red supergiant evolution, it could lead to a significant reevaluation of how we understand these stars as they approach the end of their lives. This could enhance our ability to predict supernova events, potentially giving us more precise timelines for when other nearby stars might undergo similar transformations. Moreover, the recent increase in Betelgeuse's brightness highlights the crucial role that the JWST and other advanced observatories play in modern astronomy. The JWST's ability to observe the universe in breathtaking detail is offering scientists new insights into phenomena that were once difficult or even impossible to study. In the case of Betelgeuse, the telescope provides a front-row seat to one of the most dramatic events in a star's life, a process that could unfold over years or even decades. These observations are not just deepening our understanding of Betelgeuse, they're paving the way for groundbreaking discoveries in stellar evolution and cosmic phenomenon. Opening new windows into the broader processes that govern the life and death of stars, the mystery behind Betelgeuse's sudden increase in brightness serves as a thrilling reminder of the dynamic and often unpredictable nature of the universe. While scientists have made remarkable strides in understanding stellar life cycles, much remains shrouded in mystery. Events like this highlight that our models and theories, no matter how sophisticated, are still evolving. Each new observation has the potential to revise or expand our understanding, and Betelgeuse's sudden brightening is a prime example of how unexpected phenomena can challenge long-held assumptions. As the investigation into Betelgeuse's astonishing 1,000% increase in brightness unfolds, scientists are diving into a range of hypotheses to explain this anomaly. The erratic behavior of this red supergiant has reignited curiosity about stellar processes that remain enigmatic, especially during the later stages of a star's evolution. Although Betelgeuse is notorious for its unpredictable fluctuations in brightness due to its pulsating nature, this recent surge is far beyond the typical range of variation seen in its life cycle. With the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, delivering high-resolution data, the astronomy community is racing to unravel the triggers behind this extreme event in this aging behemoth of the cosmos. The JWST's role in this investigation is crucial. As the most advanced space observatory currently in operation, it provides unprecedented access to Betelgeuse's outer layers, offering invaluable insights into the forces at play inside the star. By capturing infrared wavelengths, the JWST can peer through any dust clouds or atmospheric particles that might obscure our view, giving scientists a front-row seat to one of the most intriguing stellar mysteries of our time. These observations have revealed new insights, allowing astronomers to study Betelgeuse's surface and atmosphere with unmatched precision. This capability is crucial for unraveling the mystery behind Betelgeuse's current state of heightened luminosity, and each new dataset brings fresh leads in this unfolding investigation. One of the most thrilling possibilities scientists are exploring is the idea that Betelgeuse's dramatic brightness increase could be linked to an internal phenomenon that has previously eluded detection. Red supergiants like Betelgeuse are known to fuse heavier elements as they approach the end of their lives, transitioning from hydrogen to helium and eventually to elements like oxygen, silicon, and iron. This fusion process generates extreme pressure fluctuations within the star, which can manifest as surface instability, violent mass ejections, or even catastrophic events like supernovae. The sudden brightness spike detected by the JWST could indicate that Betelgeuse has entered a volatile phase of its evolution, where its core dynamics are driving unpredictable changes at the star's surface. As this red supergiant nears the end of its stellar life, one of the most critical processes at play is the fusion of increasingly heavier elements. Scientists have long theorized that as a star of this size fuses elements like oxygen and silicon, it creates a complex equilibrium between gravitational forces pulling inward and radiation pressure pushing outward. When this delicate balance is disrupted, it can trigger a phenomenon known as core collapse, where the star's core suddenly collapses under its own weight, resulting in an immense release of energy. This explosive process could be the catalyst for a supernova, making Betelgeuse's current behavior not just a curiosity, but a potentially groundbreaking event in our understanding of stellar evolution. Here's a more engaging rewrite of your script. While there's no certainty that Betelgeuse's recent brightening signals an imminent supernova, it does raise the intriguing possibility that the star is undergoing intense internal changes that could lead to such an event in the near future. Beyond the core fusion processes, the surface of Betelgeuse is also a hotbed of activity. Red supergiants are famous for their highly dynamic and unstable surfaces, primarily due to the convection cells that dominate their outer layers. These massive bubbles of plasma rise and fall as heat from the core makes its way to the surface. Given Betelgeuse's immense size, its radius is about 700 times that of our Sun. These convection cells are far larger and more turbulent than those found in smaller stars. Recent studies using the JWST's advanced instruments have indicated that Betelgeuse's surface may be experiencing heightened convective activity, resulting in larger and more violent upwellings of material. This increased activity could be responsible for the star's temporary brightness surge, as more hot plasma gets exposed at the surface. But that's not all. Another potential factor contributing to this sudden brightness could be a large-scale mass ejection from Betelgeuse's outer layers. As red supergiants age, They are known to shed enormous amounts of material. These ejections can create massive clouds of dust and gas that surround the star. Depending on the surrounding environment, this material can either obscure the star's light or, in some cases, reflect and amplify it. If Betelgeuse recently expelled a particularly dense shell of gas, it's possible that this material is interacting with the star's light in a way that enhances its brightness as seen from Earth. Alternatively, a previous ejection might have cleared away some obstructions, allowing more of Betelgeuse's light to shine through. Either way, the unfolding drama of this stellar giant is one that keeps astronomers on their toes. The surrounding dust may be allowing more of Betelgeuse's intrinsic brightness to reach our eyes. While the exact mechanics of these mass ejections are still under investigation, they present another possible explanation for the brightness increase observed by the JWST. Much of the focus has been on internal processes, but Betelgeuse's environment in the Orion constellation might hold valuable clues as well. The star resides in a complex region filled with interstellar gas and dust that can affect how its light travels to Earth. Changes in this surrounding material, like shock waves or ionization fronts caused by Betelgeuse's own outbursts, could interact with the star's radiation in unexpected ways. Scientists are also considering the possibility that a nearby object, such as an unseen companion star or a passing celestial body, could be influencing Betelgeuse's light output. Although this scenario is viewed as less likely than internal mechanisms, the JWST's ability to map the star's surroundings in stunning detail could help confirm or rule out these external influences. As excitement builds around Betelgeuse's latest outburst, the broader scientific community is contemplating the potential consequences of such a significant shift in the star's behavior. If this brightness increase is indeed a precursor to a supernova, it would mark one of the most monumental astronomical events in human history. Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blessovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blessovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.